Good morning again from our last day on vacation, our last full day. I guess we haven't mentioned this on the channel yet, but we're considering next year doing a full-time RV adventure around the US. So we've been looking online, and we've looked once before at a dealership. We didn't record that, but we're gonna do that this time. This will be our second time. But we have kind of honed in on one we really like, and we're not going to be buying yet, but we want to go see one because it's a very popular model and a little bit hard to find in stock. So we found one. It's a little ways away. We're actually going into Florida. So we're headed to Jacksonville, and it's like actually right by where we used to live. So we're going to show the kids our old condo we lived in as well. We rented. So we're just gonna take this little road trip down to Jacksonville and check out this RV, and we'll show you guys see what y'all think.
Fun fact as we live there, Jacksonville is the largest geographical city in the entire United States. So geographically, size-wise, it is the largest in the United States. So pretty much anytime you see a sign that says like welcome to Duval County, it also says welcome to Jacksonville, because it's practically all of Duval. Fun fact.
So that's what we're doing, and we just got on the road and we're heading down now. So we'll see you there.
I don't wanna cry.
Excited to see it?
Yeah, I'm excited to see this one. I mean, that's the one that we said that is kind of checks all the boxes. So
Yep.
We'll see what it's all about.
Yep. You're gonna ride in the back? All right, you guys go first. All right, let's see. Whoa! I can't see you. Go over there so I can see. You want? This is cool.
So much better than two, bro.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Wait, that looks different than the 21, I think.
Then you can
The
put
white.
your small little TV and back there if you want to.
Yeah. We just finished looking through the Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3740 VH. I don't have any complaints. I think the only disappointment that I had was the fact that the couch wasn't a like reclining sofa, so we would have to put some pillows behind our backs instead of having that nice recliner. So that's the only thing that I didn't like, but the bunkhouse was perfect for the kids. The bedroom was perfect, the size was perfect, the windows are perfect, the kitchen's perfect. So definitely loving it and really excited about it. And so now we just got to figure out some logistics, like if we buy early, where would we put the thing? I don't know. Got lots of stuff to talk about and figure out.
It really does check all the boxes for me. So we got some talking to do.
Okay, and so now we're gonna go check out, well, we do have to figure out what we're gonna eat for lunch, but I guess we'll just go ahead and drive down the street real quick and show the kids where we used to live. That'll be fun. Here comes the river. See these, they're kind of orangish pinkish right here. See that? Can you see? That's where we lived, on those balconies right there.
Where all these boats are, that's what we live.
Right there.
That's downtown Jacksonville, guys.
That's where Mommy used to work.
In 2 miles, take exit 28 to merge onto Natural Parkway towards Scottsdale.
So just in case we end up buying an RV today, I wanted to go ahead and start documenting this. Michael, you're on camera. You're on.
We're doing a bit.
Take 2.
We're doing an A-list adventures video, right?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to get more views?
All right, so we are headed to Scottsville, Kentucky to look at one specific RV and you know, a few others just to see. So who knows? We'll see what happens. We're, I don't know, kind of excited. It could be the day. We will see. Slide, slide, slippity slide. There's a Momentum. It's probably a smaller one. Yeah.
The Mario time. At least this one is way more bigger than the other one.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, we just signed our life away. We signed all of our paperwork and she is officially ours. She does not, wow, bouncy, bouncy. She does not have a name yet. We have to figure out what her name is going to be. But an Avalanche 378BH is what we decided to go with. It has an awesome bunkhouse floor plan that is perfect for our kids. So they're really excited, aren't you guys?
Yeah.
So we're really pumped. We're just so excited. We don't have it yet. We are going to leave it there for a little while we just wrap up some things, and then we're gonna come get it. We have a friend who's been gracious enough to let us store it there until we're ready for launch. So well, we're really excited. We love it. What do you got to say, Michael?
No, it's exciting. It's sorry, trying to get used to this truck.
Oh yeah, we got a new truck too.
It's exciting. It's a lot to deal with and kind of just absorb. New truck, new RV, all of that. But they were really good.
Yeah.
Very easy to work with.
Yeah, we really
very happy. We just got to we got a lot of measurements today
Yep.
because we've got to make some mods to it, and so we got a lot of measurements today and just talked through getting some of the last things that they needed to do. But yeah, it's exciting. Looking forward to hooking it up. Got the hitch. Now,
Yeah, we got the hitch fit on the back of our new Ford F350. As you can see, is our new truck. We just got that as well, and we're really excited about everything. A lot more to come. A-List Adventures is gonna turn it up a notch.
We're gonna make vlogs. We're gonna make videos like every day. I know.
Yeah, we're gonna video everything. Wow, that's bright. That's bright. Hello, I'm white. Okay, yeah, we're gonna video everything now. So we are going to just be on all the time and ready for you to show you guys what we're doing. It's really exciting. Turn right on New Gallivan Road.